The GE Appliances front-load commercial laundry machines allow installation of an optional coin drop and coin box assembly. In this installation training video, we will cover the installation process for the coin drop and coin box accessories. The coin drop and coin box are purchased separately. The tools needed are safety gloves, a Phillips screwdriver, and an 11/32 socket and nut driver. Step 1. We will begin covering the installation instructions for the single coin drop into the washing machine. Always make sure the washer is unplugged during coin drop installation. Detailed instructions with diagrams are within the coin drop installation instructions. First, we need to remove the coin box mounting plate on the washing machine. Use the access key, which came with the washing machine in the accessory bag, to unlock and remove the mounting plate. To remove, partially pull out the left side of the mounting plate, slide it to the left, and then remove it from the washer. Step 2. Next, assemble the coin drop faceplate to the mounting plate. Align the corner mounting holes and insert a bolt through each hole in the faceplate, mounting plate assembly, coin drop assembly. Secure each bolt with a nut. Reach into the washer opening and pull the wire harness connectors out into the opening, just enough to enable connections between the harnesses. Connect the Coin 1 or Coin 2 connector from the washing machine user interface control panel harness into the connector on the coin drop. Ensure the locking tabs are secure. Step 3. To close out the coin drop installation, we need to remount the coin drop assembly back onto the washing machine. Hook the right retaining tab of the coin drop assembly under the retaining edge on the washer, right edge. Push the left side in to close and lock it with the access key. Please note, if your washer or dryer is a standalone unit, it will use a single coin drop. If you are stacking a unit on top, you will instead use a double coin drop. Step 4. The final step will be the installation of the coin box. This is also known as the money box. It is critical that you write down the 5-digit code etched on each coin box key and keep this information in a safe place. This will be required if you need a spare coin box key or if you lose your provided key. Slide the coin box assembly into the opening below the coin drop. Adjust the coin box as necessary before locking the coin box into final position.